The Bat, the Beast, and the Birds.
Once upon a time in a dark jungle, there broke a dangerous fight between the beasts and the birds. We will not tolerate the beast anymore. They feed on us, make praise out of our children, and behave as if they are the rulers of the jungle.
Yes, we agree with you, our leader.
But we need more support from other birds. Currently, we are losing. We must reach out to every bird in the jungle to join our army.
What you say, Minister?
We just need to ask the bats now.
Invite the bat leader to our court.
The bat leader was invited to the court of birds.
Bat, we are in a war against the beasts. Why don't you join us?
The bat leader was not sure that it wanted to join an army that was losing.
I am honored by your offer, but I am afraid. I cannot join you. I am after all a beast.
Beast said,
We need to grow our army, otherwise the birds will defeat us. Minister who can help us to win.
My leader, the only who have not joined the fight as yet, are the bats.
Invite the bat leader to our court.
Bat, the war between bird and the beast of the forest is at its peak now. Whoever wins this last battle shall win the war and rule over the jungle.
the bat was once again unsure that it wanted to join the losing side with Beast.
I am honored by your offer, but I cannot join you as I am a bird.
Just before the final battle was to take place, both the bird and beast leaders met. They were both upset by the losses their armies were suffering and decided to make peace with one another. The war was called off. The whole jungle celebrated the new peace in the land. When the bat leader heard of this development, he went to the bird and asked to be a part of celebration. But the bird leader remembered how the bat had refused to help the birds during war and turned him and his kind away. Hence, he and his entire kind lived in isolation without any friends in jungle.